Well, anyway, here's part two. Baby oysters, as you can see back there. I got some small thing they sent me for free. You can see some like stuff popping out right there. A little bit. And line main, of course. Humidifier going. Shiitake back there, growing. Oh, he's getting very big. I just picked the big one, and look at this line, man. Yeah, this is part two for people who didn't see part one. I broke a piece off right here, as you can see, for breakfast. So yeah, and I got the oyster mushroom down here. Of course, the pink oyster. I really love. More stuff up here, temperature thing, yeah, pretty cool.